Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Vlogtober. It is Slot Machine Saturday and today we are playing Cats, Hats, and Bats. These are the progressives. It would be nice to hit that major for $1,200. And this is the game. I believe for this game you need to get 3 of the lion door knockers. For the bonus round, this haunted house is a wild symbol, I believe. And then the bat can come in and give you some extra stuff as well. So let's see if we can get a bonus. All right. See what we can do. Oh. You're embarrassing me. All right. Let's see if we can get a bonus. Don't do me like this. Uh-oh. Line hits, but we need 3 we need the house or the door knocker. That ain't it. Come on. You have to push. What are you betting?
This right here.
30 lines. Then you have to put how much are you betting per line? One is 30 cents. Get nothing at the $3. We might bring our bet down. Come on, we want a bonus. One more. Dang. It does pay scatter, like the house is wild, and it will substitute for the door knocker. But spooky win. Come on. Bonus. Got some owls. That was a nice little line hit. One more. Oh, come on. It's nice you get a scatter, but we need 3 of y'all. Nothing. Oh wait, we do get the. Come on. Where are you at, bats? The bat was random. He ain't even coming out. Bring our bet down a little bit. Maybe bet low, we'll get a bonus. Even the black cats was lining up. Get a bunch of little line hits. No bonus. Alright. I'll come back if we get a bonus. Alright, I didn't get a bonus on the other game, so I'm going to do a couple of spins on Little Shop of Horrors and see if the Audrey 2 can do anything for us. Why couldn't you be right there? See if we can get a bonus with Seymour. Uh-oh, we got something. Okay, Audrey. There we go. Okay. Got a little kickback. We need a bonus game. Come on, Mr. Krellborn. I think we need 3 of these to get a bonus. One more. Come on. Oh.
Yes, more.
You need to get bigger. Oh, that's it? I thought he was about to do something. Come on. Feel like he should have went off by now. Come on. Nobody wants to give us any bonus rounds today. Alright, we'll come back if we get a bonus, but we down to our last couple dollars. I guess I might as well play it out to the end. At this point, we're not going to hit a jackpot, so we might as well just play the minimum bet just to see if we get a bonus. Seymour is not being nice to us. Getting bigger, but he's not going off. Still no bonus. I had a little Seymour bonus thing. And I wasn't recording. But it wasn't nothing big anyway. So I think we are going to say goodnight to Audrey 2. I don't know, the Halloween slots have not been giving us any fun play. So, womp womp. Appreciate you guys for watching. Seymour don't want to get us anything. Don't always win. Get a couple little kickbacks. Make sure y'all come back next week for Slot Machine Saturday.